In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Coinbase step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Coinbase app and go to your account or buy and sell section. Check the available payment options. If PayPal is listed, go to Payment Methods. Select Add New Method, choose PayPal, and log in with your PayPal credentials. Once connected, you can directly deposit money from PayPal into Coinbase. If PayPal is not available in your region, you will need to use a bank account as an intermediary. Transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Link that same bank account in Coinbase. Deposit the funds from your bank into Coinbase. This completes the transfer from PayPal to Coinbase. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.